Ayahuasca is primarily still a huge mystery. I first encountered this truly sacred and wonderful plant about 30 years ago here in South America. I was introduced to its potential by local people. After consuming it, a complex plan of my life was revealed to me. Some kind of cosmic manual for utilizing what we call incarnation was given to me. I understood that the ayahuasca has an incredible effect on human beings. It can reveal to people what they truly are. Even back then, the ayahuasca masters told me that the most important element in the ayahuasca ritual are the people themselves. My communication with masters happened even non-verbally, in vivid images. Even though it happened this way, we were very aware of it. It was absolutely real. This quality of ayahuasca, that it enables telepathic communication between two or more people, was noticed by the first scientists who studied the effects of this jungle herbal mix. It is interesting to note that one of the active alkaloids isolated during laboratory analysis from the ayahuasca vine was named telepatine. It was essentially a groundbreaking discovery, comparable to in the invention of the airplane or the internal combustion engine. Scientists, for the first time in history, had a means that could completely change the way our species communicates.